Okay, welcome to Blender. So today we're going to be making a desktop background. So I'm going to go 7 to heaven right here, delete this default cube, and we're going to go ahead and add in a plane. S for scale, bring this up just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and we will add, let's go to view, align camera to view. So I'm going to go ahead and just make the square the same length right here. So we're going to need the lighting, so let's go with G, bring this to the side. This will be on the outside of where our camera is. So what I want you to do is go to the render engine, change our EV to cycles, and what we'll do is let's go ahead and add in. So add, we'll go with cylinder. We're going to go ahead, shade this smooth, scale this upwards, and then S to scale this down. So these are going to be kind of the abstract pieces that we have in this. So what we can do, 7 to heaven again. We've got all these nice little cylinders kind of coming in just here. Let's go for the view with the camera. And we can go ahead and sort this into what we need to. So let's go ahead and change these into, say, gold kind of pieces, metallic up, roughness down. Let's go with Shift D, move this across, G, move this down, and then we'll go Shift D. And you just want to kind of move these into just random places, just along the sides of where we need them. So, at the moment, we have the lighting from this side, and you can see that this is coming from that side. So let's go ahead and click this light. We'll go ahead and improve the exposure just a little bit so we've got a little bit more light coming through. We're going to go ahead, Shift D, move this across to the opposing side. And we can just kind of make some shadows like this. Let's go with blue for this one. Got this nice blue coming through. We can go Shift D again, move this to the bottom right corner. Sorry, yes, bottom right corner, where it decides to duplicate it. Come on, there we go. Okay, so this bottom one right here, we can change this to a red. Just kind of push that to the side right there. I'm going to tone down the red just a little bit with the exposure. I think it's just a bit too much. But we could have something like this. And then for the backdrop, we could kind of do, I don't know, if you wanted a slight metallic, you could. And just keep that roughness at bay. So you've kind of got that red coming through, and you've got the blue and stuff like that. I mean, I think the white's a little bit overpowering, so we could go ahead and just tone that down as well. So I'd say like it's kind of a unique background for a computer. It's just something to kind of experiment with, I guess. And you can go ahead and add some more of these little cylinders in here. Shift D, move this one across. I just kind of experiment with the lighting, really. Just see what you can do with it. Yeah, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.